Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to join Roblox Discord server. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join the Roblox Discord server quickly and easily, whether you're looking to connect with other players, get the latest game updates, participate in the community event, or chat with fellow Roblox fans. Joining a Discord server is one of the best ways to stay connected. And this video will show you how to do it. It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open door Discord. From here, you can just select on add a server. You can select on that. You can select on join the server. You can type in Roblox unofficial. Now you can just select on join server. So welcome. Now you have joined the Roblox server on your Discord. It's very simple, right? If you are new to Discord, the Roblox communities, don't worry. You can follow this step by step to join the Roblox server on your uh, Discord. It's very simple, right? So that is uh, how to join Roblox server on your Discord. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.